Welcome, fam. If your hips feel locked and your core is not firing, this is why you're waking up off balance. In the next 5 minutes, we'll unlock your foundation, reactivate your core, and reset the tension that's been quietly draining your focus and strength. Let's hit the mat. Start in a low squat position. Drop your right knee towards your left foot. Then come back to a squat position and alternate sides. This move is sneaky. It looks simple, but it unlocks buried tension where most people are stuck. It reteaches your hips to rotate the way they were designed to. Keep your spine long and chest proud. Beginners use blocks or your fingertips on the floor. Advanced stretches, stay upright and hover your hands. Most injuries happen not because you're weak, but because you've lost rotation. Ready for the first challenge? Hold this next one for 5 seconds longer. Feel a sticky spot? That's where the real work lives. Your hips are online, now let's connect them to your core. Lie on your back, arms up, knees bent at 90 degrees. Lower one arm and the opposite leg. Then return. Alternate. This is the quiet kind of hard. It teaches your deep core to stabilize while the limbs move. A skill you use every time you walk, lift, or turn. Press your lower back into the floor. Beginners tap your heel instead of extending. Advanced stretches, hover both arm and leg an inch above the ground. This move has been shown to improve balance faster than crunches ever will. Try 2 more reps without letting your back lift. Feel your belly shaking. That's your core waking up. You've stabilized from the inside. Now let's fire one leg at a time. Lie on your back, one foot planted, one leg extended. Drive your heel into the ground and lift your hips. This move forces each glute to show up. No cheating, no favoring one side. Keep your core tight, hip square. Beginners keep both feet down. Advanced stretches, a pulse at the top or add a pause. Weak glutes are a hidden cause of lower back pain and poor posture. Hold the top of this next rep. Count 5, 4, 3. Does one side feel weaker? That's your imbalance showing up, and you're correcting it right now. Now that we've fired up your engine, let's add rotation. Sink into a deep squat. Grab one ankle with the opposite arm and twist the other to the sky. Switch sides. This move does it all. Spine, hips, breath, balance. And it's the moment you start to feel like yourself again. Keep your heels down and spine long. Beginners use blocks under your heels. Advanced stretches add a slide hold at the top of each twist. Did you notice something? This stretch mimics natural movement patterns, like picking something up and turning. Let's make it a challenge. Can you hit 3 clean rotations without losing balance? Feel that tension release with each twist? That's alignment returning. Almost done. Last stretch is your cool down and core finish. Kneel tall or stand tall, feet wide. Slowly rotate your hips in a semicircle. Front to side, then reverse. This isn't just a stretch, it's a recalibration. You're smoothing out your posture and centering your pelvis before the day begins. Keep your core gently engaged. Beginners keep the range small. Advanced stretches close your eyes and slow it down. This movement relieves low back pressure and improves balance almost instantly. Last 15 seconds. Can you slow it down and exaggerate the range? Can you feel your body working together now? This is how you wake up with control. not chaos. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.